Hello friends, today we are going to interact with Mr. Sourav Kumar. He is a PhD scholar in the Department of Civil Engineering, IIT Guwahati, and today's video is going to be very informative and motivational. He is IIT Guwahati cricket team captain and I have always seen him on the ground otherwise on the nets. Apart from that, he has managed his research activities and other responsibilities. Currently, he is in USA, and today we will learn from him how he has gone to USA with what fellowship scheme, and also how he manages his responsibility. So many information are there. Let us start.
Thank you for joining with us today for this interactive session.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you both of you for giving me this opportunity.
We welcome to our channel and foundation. First of all, we'd like to know about yourself, from where you belong, and your academic and career journey till today.
Okay, so as Manjesh mentioned, my name is Sourav, and I am basically from Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh. And for last 6 years, I've been in Assam. So I've done my BTech from Uttaranchal Institute of Technology, Dehradun, and then I joined MTech in IIT Guwahati, and then I continued my PhD in IIT Guwahati itself, and currently my fourth year of PhD is going on. Yeah. Also, currently I'm in Department of Earth and Planetary Sciences at University of California, Berkeley, through Fulbright Nehru doctoral research fellowship for 9 months.
Okay.
Okay. So you are in the fourth year. So till now, how many papers or patents you have published?
Unfortunately, I haven't published any paper yet in my PhD, but I have published one paper from my MTech. But I am almost near to submit my two papers from
Okay.
PhD. Yeah.
So what is the working area? In which area you are working? And
Okay, so I'm working on monitoring groundwater chemistry in response to earthquakes in Northeast India, which is very highly seismic active area, as you know.
yes.
So basically, the changes in groundwater chemical composition in response to earthquakes that I'm working on,
Oh,
and I
that,
brought some samples that are collected in for last 2 years to University of California, Berkeley, and I am analyzing it, and we got some good results, and we are working on manuscript now.
oh, okay. So that is
Yeah.
very good area. And what are the research facility you have got there in IIT Guwahati?
Yeah, so in terms of instrumentation,
Hmm.
we know there is still some gap in the Indian laboratories and the US laboratories. So
Okay.
the instrument which I needed for the my particular research work was not there in IIT Guwahati's civil department. So I
Hmm.
have to go to other departments for to work on other like different instruments. So here I got best instrument plus best operators, and which uh, which have very good precision in the analysis. So lab facility, and I am currently working in a green lab, which they called in University of California, Berkeley, where the all the research facilities are at A grade, we can say. Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay. Would you like to share any difficulties that you have faced during your PhD in IIT Guwahati?
Yeah, we are very unfortunate because our PhD supervisor is suffering from brain tumor for last 2.5 years or so.
okay.
So he has not joined his office since July 2020 or 2021. I don't remember the year, but it's a very long time. He is fighting with
Okay.
this very big disease, you can say. So he's fighting for with his life and all. But somehow we, like, my co-supervisor was there who helped me, and I got this fellowship. So somehow my PhD is currently going on, and so as my fellow uh, group mate or lab mates. Uh, yeah. So we're a
Oh,
group of 10 to 15 people
hmm.
under our PhD supervisor, and definitely our research affected due to that, but he is fighting with his life. That is more important for us now, and we are keeping him in our prayers. Yeah.
We are hoping he should get well,
Recover very soon.
recovery
Yeah.
very
Thank
soon.
you.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And so now the important question that is very important, which fellowship program you have got to visit
Yeah.
USA?
So this fellowship program is called Fulbright Nehru Doctoral Research Fellowship. So Fulbright program is a very prestigious fellowship program which runs across the globe. In every major country, it is it does the collaboration. So for India, there is an agency called United States India Educational Foundation, short from
Okay.
USIEF. So every year they select a bunch of people for doctoral research fellowship as well as master's fellowship as well as uh, uh, postdoctoral fellowship as well as the academic excellence where professors can visit to different countries. So it is
Okay.
basically the program from US to different countries.
Okay.
So
So
I got Fulbright Nehru Doctoral Research Fellowship, which is for PhD aspirants
okay.
who can opt for 9 months of their PhD duration to work in the US or in India. So US fellows can come to India, and Indian fellows can go to USA, and it is fully funded scholarship, starting from their travel allowance to uh, accommodation and the daily allowances. So they fund everything, and it is very prestigious fellowship, and I'm very lucky that I got this.
So how
Yeah.
you have applied and which month it comes? So everything.
Okay, so it is currently open,
Hmm.
and it every year they open it in the month of, I think, April. Uh, Not April. I think right now it is February. Yeah, April is the closing date. Yeah. So in the month of February they open every year, and then in the month the last date will be, I think, 15th of July.
Okay.
So they give you a great time to like work on your application. And in this fellowship, you would need a 3 recommendation letter from your host institution, or like where are you working in your PhD program.
Mhm.
And if you are able to get the invitation letter from the US university or particular professor with whom
Mhm.
you want to work in the
Hmm.
US, it is an advantage but not a necessity. That it is
Okay.
not yeah, it is not actually required to
Mhm.
be able to apply to this fellowship, but it is an advantage because they know that uh, there is a professor and you are already in contact with him, and some professor is already agreeing to work with you. So it
Okay.
is now open. Yeah.
Hmm. So it is you have to select the university, or how you are managing, means you
Okay.
have selected.
Basically, the process is if you are working in your like second or third year of PhD program.
Hmm.
So after your SOS is done, so your work is defined. So, and you already read the literature on your work, so you would be able to identify that in US these professors are working on your particular research area, and you
Okay.
can mail them that
Hmm.
I'm I want to apply for this Fulbright fellowship, for which I would require an invitation letter from your end. So would you able to give that based on his agreement that
Mhm.
he want to work with you or not. But that is a different part. So then if he agrees, then you submit that invitation letter along with your application to the
Hmm.
funding agency, and then they will scrutinize your application. And it is a very tough process to because all over India from different disciplines. So only they select only 20 people across India, around 20
Okay.
to 30 people across India, from every discipline. So it's a very tough process to get in. But if you manage to write a good application and your research is good, then there's a good chance. And I am happy to help if someone send me his application or something like that. So I'll be happy to help.
That is very appreciative. So I will share your email ID in the description, so they can
Yes,
contact you. And
yes.
so one other important question is that the professor you are contacting, so it should be professor level, associate professor, or assistant
Mhm.
professor. So any
No,
professor,
it could be any, it could be any, at any
it could
level.
be
Yeah, but
any level.
yeah, it should be relevant to your research. And
Okay.
that's how he will write in your invitation letter how relevant is your research with him, and how, yeah.
So currently you are working a very good college. You have gone and visit USA. So what are the research facility? Already you have told, but what
Yeah.
the difference in India you are not getting, but you are getting there everything, every research
Yeah,
facility.
first of all, I would like to like mention the work ethics,
Okay.
which is very important in the if we compare according to India and US. So here, every professor or every student is working independently, kind of, and they are very interested in what they are doing.
Okay.
And also every day or any week, you can discuss with your professor what is like what can be done and what cannot be done. So research ethics is very good. So every day 8 a.m. they will be in their office, and for with like every day they will work hard. Then it comes on the facilities. So instrument is there, better instrumentation. Also, they work very precisely when they
Okay.
are. So I'm working on the experimental part, so I can only tell about the experimental part. So if uh, like they work with very good precision. So if you are for example, if you are making a standard, and if the correlation coefficient is not near 1, so they won't allow you to run the instrument. So first
Okay.
you have to make the instrument standards very good, and then you can use the instrument, and uh, uh, accordingly your results will be very finer. So
Okay.
like that. And because they have the operators with their instrument in India, like we use the instrument, and we sometimes we don't know what would be the precision, and what would be the uh, effective way to run the instrument. So like and
Oh,
there are many things. Yeah,
but this is the important thing you have told. So one
yeah.
thing I have forgotten to ask you. So is there is a interview process also there?
Mhm. Yes. So after
Inter
your application is selected, so they will have a 15 to 20 minutes interview, where a panel of 8 to 9 specialists will be there. So they will interview you. They will basically, the interview will be reflecting. So they want to know that whatever you have written in your application form. Okay, so it is like sometimes while reading, so it cannot be like justified, or it cannot be that much informative for me.
Hmm.
But when I do interview of the same person, then I can ask my question or my query of that particular research. So
Hmm.
to give you a funding, basically, because it's a huge amount of money, around 20 to 25 lakhs they are giving to you
Okay.
for 9 months, in terms of accommodation, travel, and all.
Hmm.
It is a huge money. So they
Hmm.
will invest on very good candidate. So there's, but
Oh,
like my suggestion would be, we should not hesitate to apply. So
okay.
even it's a very prestigious fellowship, even it's a very a big name. So, but we should apply, because we don't know how my point of view or my research would be effective on a regional to global scale. And yeah,
Okay. So you are from civil engineering. So only civil
yes.
engineering student or others already you are told. So other
No,
specialization,
it's for every discipline.
every
Whether it
discipline.
is for it's from mathematics, it's from chemical engineering department, it's for bioscience, it is open for every department.
Okay.
So from every department across all over India, they
Hmm.
select 20 to 30 people
So,
for different disciplines. Yeah.
so in first time only you have got selected means how many times you have applied? So first time
Yeah, in
only,
first time, for the
first
first
time
time
only.
only.
Oh,
Yeah,
that
I
is
was fortunate, but yeah,
that is very good.
yeah,
And now the important question. So I have seen always you on the ground and always
yeah,
playing cricket. So apart from that, how you have managed everything? Because many students they are thinking that I will play cricket, so I will not do
yeah.
means good research. So how you are managing everything?
Yeah. You yourself is a good example of that, because you managed your PhD, and similar to us, the cricket enthusiasts of IITG, you are also an integral part of the cricket community. You also reach ground at 5 a.m. whether it's a game of on 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. So, but my point is, cricket, like for me, is a passion, and PhD is a
Hmm.
profession. So passion
Okay.
always beats profession for a minute, and then you have to decide whether you prioritize your profession over it, or passion. And every time I choose passion. So that's how cricket is to me. So, but you know, a very immediate person, Kishan Bhaiya. So
Hmm.
uh, management is everything. So if you can manage your time, so if you think that I want to do 3 to 4 things, then you can manage. But if you say that I'll play cricket and I'll do my PhD, then it can be manageable. Two things
Okay.
you can manage, and if yeah,
Okay, that is very good. You explained very clearly. So, and also you are married, so you are managing your family responsibility also.
yeah,
And now important question is what the lifestyle there USA?
yeah.
Huh.
So lifestyle, USA is known for its rich lifestyle in
Hmm.
many terms. So हम तो वही बोलते हैं कि महंगाई बहुत ज्यादा है. तो यहाँ पर कुछ भी हो, but people are very humble, very polite, and like they are very uh, disciplined in whatever they are doing. Even a worker at a McD would be having same lifestyle uh,
Okay.
to the with the if you compare with the any common person here. So lifestyle comes with the facilities that you get in your country, and
Uh,
the basic facilities that in the country here, the roads, the electricity, and all. So it is very great here, and but people are very polite. That is quite uh, fascinating to me, and I felt very good when I talk to people here. Even if you go into any bank, so they will treat you like a minister. Or
okay.
if you are already a minister and you will go to a bank, they will treat you the same way. So that's the
Uh,
important part. So
that
they
is
will
the
treat you equally. Yeah.
that is very good. And you are enjoying there a lot because you are
Yeah.
playing cricket also. You are following cricket also. Passion.
Yeah.
Okay.
I joined cricket club of University of California, Berkeley on the first day, like IIT Guwahati, and we represented University of California Berkeley on the in the regionals tournament here, which was happened in the Los Angeles in the month of November, I think. And now we are going to Houston, Texas, in the nationals tournament that will be
Okay.
played in the March. So yeah, I got selected there also, and it's a fun, because wherever the cricket will be, and I'll be
You
more
will
than
be
happy.
there. You will be
Yeah,
there. Where will the cricket? You will
yeah,
be there.
yeah.
Okay.
So
So
when in
what?
terms of research also, I felt like very good, because the professor here is also very pioneer kind of in my research area. So he suggests very good things to me, uh, how to see the research in a long term, not
Hmm.
on the immediate term. So we are working on the manuscript of that particular research, and he was telling me about to think that how it can be correlated with the other aspects of the environment. And so it is a good culture here, that we can say
Okay.
good work culture. Yeah.
What are the scopes in your working area?
So the work I'm doing is at the very initial stage of earthquake prediction. And if I
Hmm.
say earthquake prediction, so you can estimate the scope,
Hmm. Yes,
because
go.
recently a Turkey earthquake, you see the
Yeah.
loss of life and property that it occurred with. So however, I am I'm at very initial stage of earthquake prediction, but I am seeing it in a long term. If
Hmm.
I work in a this research area like the other researchers are doing to 10 to 15 years, and if I collect the data from northeast region of India, which is very seismically active, and then we can contribute our part to the global seismologist community uh,
Hmm.
to work on this huge, basically we can say, uh, uh, disaster. Yeah.
Okay.
So, what are your future plans? You want to do research and or you want to join industry or academics?
Yeah, my future plan was always to become a professional cricketer, but but
Okay.
somehow I missed the opportunity in my early age. But now I'm focusing on more on this research part, and most importantly on the earthquake prediction part. So I'll be doing my research on earthquake prediction for in northeast region or any other seismically active region. So now I'll go back and complete my PhD up to maybe in 2024, and then I come back here or anywhere that I got a chance to do a postdoctorate, and then I can
Hmm.
join as faculty or any other post in IIT Guwahati or any other seismically active region where I can continue my research of this particular
Hmm.
earthquake prediction.
Oh, okay, so that is very good plan. So you want to
Yeah.
continue on this area because it is very so earthquake prediction. It is very
Yeah.
good,
Interesting.
Not
interesting also.
I'm not solely like doing research on earthquake prediction, because it includes many aspects of geophysical
Okay.
and geochemical and all.
Mhm.
So I'm just doing a research on a small part of that but huge research program. But we are here to contribute from our like every
Hmm.
researchers has this point of view that somehow I can be able to contribute to the society in any aspect or any scale.
Hmm. That is very good. If your research is contributing to the
Yeah.
society, that is
Yes.
the
Yeah.
best thing you will do. So
Yeah.
we have come to the last point. So
Yeah.
now you have experience. You have gone to USA, working as a research scholar. So many things you have. So what will
Mm.
be your best suggestion to the aspirants?
Uh, to experience like for PhD students, you
For
are
PhD student.
already had a PhD degree, so
No PhD
you will
student.
be, yeah, you will be agreeing to my suggestion that you have to be patient and believe in yourself and keep working hard, because these three things will lead you to a major goal that you are having in your mind. Because if you are not patient, then somehow you will be distracted. So you have to be patient, believe in yourself, because if you don't believe in yourself, then you will not extend your like arms to any other opportunity that you think that you
Hmm.
cannot be able to do this. So you have to believe yourself and apply to any fellowship or any other opportunity you have to grab. uh, so believe in yourself and keep working hard towards your
Oh.
goal. That is the only suggestion I have, because I am not any expert now because you have a lot of experience more than me, so you can suggest better. But this is only my suggestion right now, and this is what I am following.
Mhm.
So no, that is the best suggestion you have given. Should be a
Yeah,
patient and apply for any
yeah,
fellowship you are getting. So apply
yes,
every fellowship. So there will
yeah,
be failure, but you will get success after some time. But you
yes. You
apply,
will learn something.
you
You
will
learn
learn
something.
something.
Yeah.
There is nothing called a failure. Always you are
Yes.
learning something. Okay.
For sure. Yes.
So, thank you, Mr. Saurabh, to interact with us, and definitely this interaction will benefit the aspirants. And you have explained very clearly everything, so that is very appreciative, and definitely it will help the aspirants. And thank you for interacting with us.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Manjesh. Thank you.